Real hot Jamaica in the shade. 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot, hear me when I say in the shade. Thank you. And is it time for the big man? Yeah, but before I even go in there, I need to ask you. If you're living in the present and not the past, somebody make some noise. And if you're living in the present and not the future, somebody make some noise. Simply put, the present is all that matters. Remember, we've gotten 3 examples of the present. The present that you live in. The present that was given as a gift. Life. And the presence of the Most High. That's here with us all the way. Remember that. And this tune was written, shared with love to you by a producer that we, trust me, we love him and respect him. And it's on an album that Coore expressed his last set of talents. So listen closely.
You're not the only one. If you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one.
Hey, let's hear it for Liam. I don't want you to sing with me to this one, you know. Sing to you know. But I want you to sing it for me. Someone say, if you're out there, hey, you're not the only one. No, you're not the only one. Come again, if you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely. Hey, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. Born again, if you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely. You're not the only one. You're not the only one.
Practice. Jungle and Rima, Tivoli and Tuesday. One more time. Hey! Somalia to Ethiopia. Egypt to Zimbabwe. Yeah! Jungle, 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 jungle. Nobody can deny we say we're less. No, Jen. Johnny Tiger rough around the edges, maybe yes. Alright! Take it down, old boy. Watch out. Well, here comes Junior Gong, flying high like Superman, taking that terror the whole world. And I don't know if it's just because you don't know. Hey! Feel like I wanna stand up. Answer the question, huh? What do you mean? Talk down fast. Answer. How many answer, rude boy? Sure. What makes sense? But I've been looking at the car and all the interior blush. I look up on the rims, all them pull out and brush. And I stop out with you, will and I wonder how much. And them jealous, and them young boys say, God. And give me mix up, give me mix up, give me mix up. Give me now. Give me say, well, I'm on YouTube, their eyes and us. And I'm there, rest and last time, fucking I light up. If we don't, it's not on me. I'm going to sing our next tune. Your next one now. Indeed. I do? Don't give up the fight. Stand up, stand up, get up, stand up, stand up, stand up, boy. I'm right, stand up, boy. Get up, stand up, okay. Don't give up the fight. Those people think great God will come from the sky and take away everything and make everybody feel like. But if you know what life is worth, then you will look up. So now you see the light. You get up, stand up, get up, stand up, stand up, stand up, God. You stand up, God. You get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. You get up, stand up, get up, stand up, stand up, God. You stand up, God. You get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Sick and tired of the idiots, listen to it, and I go to everything and we have faith. We know and we understand, Almighty God is a living man. You fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all. Now we see the light, y'all. You stand up, boy. Come on, get up, stand up. Stand up, boy. Stand up, boy. You get up, stand up.